Whoa! What's in my Avid Media File folder? What project is this? Well, that's frustrating. How to prevent this issue? You're gonna like this one. Hi, welcome to Crazy Avid Duck. Let's get this fixed. I'll quick repeat the basics so we can get started. As soon as you start your Avid will create a new Avid Media File folder. And that's this one. In this media file folder, you will find all digitized media files. If you start a second project, Avid won't make a second media file folder. It's always one media file folder for each drive. All material you digitize will be placed in this Avid media folder. In case you want to separate your media files according to your projects, this is how I do it. So the first thing I do on my folder is I create an Avid Media File folder. So I write Avid Media Files. That's the folder. Just take your project, in this case this is project 1, with all my data, all my rushes and everything from project, and place it in Avid Media Files folder. You can either drag drop or you can copy extract like here. Here's my project 1 folder. Why is that good? Let's pretend you edited project 1 and now we want to start a new project, project 2. So the first thing I do after edit is I now deactivate my Avid Media Files. You just need to rename it. And now we rename it with my project name, in this case project 1, and the Avid Media Files are deactivated. For now, working on project 2, we will create the Avid Media Files folder for project 2. Avid Media Files. We add the extension project 2. In this name, you can name it as your project name. I say it's project 2. And place our material, all we got, in project 2. I guess you know what we're up to. We have in all our media files and all our data in Avid Media File folder. So let's say your editor buddy wants to work on project 2. Well, he sees project 2, he takes away the extension and he's ready to work. So it's quite easy. If you're having more projects, it will just have more media files with the extension of the name of the project, and inside you will see the project name. So no problem more switching your projects and organizing your media files. We got that now fixed. For supporting Crazy Avid Duck, please press subscribe. See in my previous video, you find the other way to organize your Avid media files. Check it out. Happy creating!